Last year we went to the eye. I remember you smile reflecting the light. We didn't care what tomorrow would bring. There was only right now, the sun was alive. I can still see you walk down the shore, holding in all the secrets kept me waiting for the answers, the answers. We can do it all again, I know. Somewhere down the line we're meant to come back.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? This is just for us now.
Hey loves, thanks so much for tuning into today's video. I am finally doing the review video today for the other braid wig that I purchased off of Etsy some months back. Y'all saw the other one. Y'all saw her right here. Y'all saw this gal, and she is super cute. She is like a frontal in the front. This one is just pretty much a lace front with a smaller lace area. But what I did like, I don't have to do a bald cap with this one. Just a stocking cap is pretty much good. So I'm gonna show you the unpackaging. I don't want to say unboxing. She never came in a box. She came in a plastic, like a poly mailer. But I'm gonna show you the actual bag that she came in once you removed her from that shipping bag, and then that way y'all can see how she comes packaged. The hair, the wig, it smells amazing. I don't know what sis puts on this wig, but I'm gonna put the deets as well as I am going to show you her Etsy store just in just a little bit while you are taking a look at the actual unboxing. I'll go ahead and show you show you like her page, her Instagram page and so forth. There is a little bit shedding, but this is like the tree-like braids where you see like some hairs left out the braids. But super cute. Wig control spray or braid spray will be your bestie. She is synthetic. I love the color. The color is amazing. But y'all, I'm going to do a voiceover for the rest. I'm going to show you like putting her on, styling her up and everything.
Nothing ever comes to me, yeah, in a steady stream, but you gotta keep on going. You gotta live that dream. I know I ain't supposed to feel it, but oh how it feels. Nothing ever comes to me, yeah, in a steady stream, but you gotta keep on going. You gotta live that dream. I know I ain't supposed to feel it, but oh how it feels. Instead of letting it go, I let it stay.
maybe tonight we'll go a different way, you and me. Tell your friends that this might take some time and you'll be back another day. I can see us breaking down the barrier. Oh yeah. With the speed of light we cross the stratosphere. Oh yeah. We can go so far, so far away. Baby, let's go far, so far, you and me. Let's dance the night away, we're locked together far away, you and me. We'll have a celebration to an unknown destination, can't you see? I can see us breaking down the barrier. Oh yeah. With the speed of light we cross the stratosphere. Oh yeah. We can go so far, so far away. Baby, let's go far, so far, you and me. We'll dance all night till the break of dawn. Come on now, let your feelings show. Oh baby. We'll dance all night till the break of dawn. Come on now, let your feelings show. Oh baby. We'll dance all night till the break of dawn. Come on now, let your feelings show. Oh baby. We'll dance all night till the break of dawn. Come on now, let your feelings show. Oh baby. It's 11:31. Now the party's done. Get off the floor. Time to go home. Or you can stay the night. I know where we've been, yeah. But baby, that was then. Who knows where this goes? I'm scared of this ghost. Oh, don't assume I don't just because.
I will get back with you on the next one. I do hope that this video is helpful to y'all. Please comment down below, mingle with your girl. I love chatting it up with y'all. Let me know if you have tried any braided wigs or which braided wigs are your faves. I'd love to hear that. As well as please do follow your girl on social media. If you do find this video helpful, thumbs up. And please subscribe and join the fam. Okay, gotta have you in my life. Your girl loves you long time like that. Thank you so much for tuning in to your girl's channel. And your girl, LAL, loves you so, so much. Mis amores. Later. Bye-bye.